couple weeks ago somebody asked me to do a summer library tour, and though it's pretty small, I'll go ahead and do that just because it was requested. But so here's the shelf that is visible in the back of the videos right now. Basically, on a day-to-day, I do kind of change it when I shoot a video, but on a day-to-day basis, what I have here is some bookmarks, a pen. There's water here, and I'm getting my bookmarks wet. That's not good. And then I have my Schuyler KJV, my Schuyler notebook, Trinity Psalter Hymnal, the Book of Common Prayer, this nice leather-bound edition, and then my Crossway wide margin ESV. And these are what I use pretty much every day, so they're just here for easy access. Especially these top three, mostly twice a day I've been using these. I've got the pocket edition of the Westminster Confession, one of our Petra Publications notebooks here. It's pretty cool. And then I have some various Banner of Truth books here. Wise Counsel, John Newton's Letters, Scottish Theology, Jonathan Edwards, a new biography. The second volume of Spurgeon's autobiography, The Full Harvest. The reason I only have the second one is because I just picked this up recently and the other one's at home. Then I have Charnock's Existence and Attributes of God, of which I am about 1/3 of the way through of the second volume. So hopefully I'll be reviewing those soon. Yeah, and then in this basket I have coffee, because no good work can be done without coffee. So, and then I also have this bookshelf, and mostly this is just random stuff that I've picked up here and there. Other bits of it are themed, but I was able to find these first edition Lloyd-Jones volumes from his commentary on Romans. I have this George Mueller biography, the Pilgrim Psalter, one of the a copy of the Psalter that the Pilgrims used coming over on the Mayflower. And then this free copy of the Law and the Gospel, Lectures to My Students, The Great Awakening, Diary and Life of Andrew Bonner. This book right here, Elizabeth Prentice, is a fantastic book, highly recommend. The Upper Room by J.C. Ryle. I never travel without some form of Ryle. And then I just recently finished this, A Severe Mercy by Sheldon Vonnegut, and it is absolutely breathtaking. The front cover says, "No brief review can do justice to the human depth of this book." And that is so very true. Just an excellent, excellent book. And then some older volumes that I picked up at a bookstore. And then this is like a stack of books on manhood or being a husband. We have The Priest in His Home, Masculine Mandate, Family Shepherds, Call to Action, and Friends and Lovers. And then over here, we have God's Way of Peace, God's Way of Holiness. This is all of the Summer of Scots series right here. And another one that I'm adding to it, The Believer's Joy by Robert Murray McShane, which I finished this morning as of the making of this video. And then on the end over here, I have the works of Jonathan Edwards put out by Banner of Truth as well. And then down here, I have a copy of The Pilgrim's Progress, of which we have an ongoing giveaway. If you'd like to enter that, there's another video on the channel you can find about a giveaway of The Pilgrim's Progress. And then I also have my genuine leather edition of The Valley of Vision. Also, I didn't point them out, but I have The Lord of the Rings up here. 2 volumes of it anyway. Borrowing those from 2 different people. So, gotta finish those soon. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have with me this summer, and I'm hoping to get through a lot of this. I've already read all of these, so that's some, and I'm gonna work through these next probably. And done these, all of these guys I've done, so done a good portion of them, and just slowly working through it. But yeah, that's the summer library. I hope you enjoyed, and Lord willing, I will see you again very soon. God bless.